Talent is not, it's a fuzzy concept. It's not that you have it and others don't. There are a lot of people who got a lot of talent. The biggest thing is the opportunity. And those are the opportunities that you kids are getting right now. Okay? I have got something to share. This is the latest Time magazine. Okay, how many of you have seen this magazine? Okay, see what is its front cover. It says why your DNA is not your destiny. Okay, it also says, I have not read the whole thing, but it also says very succinctly, the new science of epigenetics reveals how the choices you make can change your genes and that of your future generations. Alright? So make good choices, try harder, and you can do whatever you want. Okay? Thank you. Okay, there are a couple of things I would like to say. First, our Panditji's daughter, Trupti, where is she? Alright, Trupti and her friend would like to do a dance, but they are not necessarily participating in the competition. Okay? Since it is an individual competition and they want to do it together, so basically they are going to entertain you. So maybe we can do after sub-junior, we can have their dance and then we can start the junior competition. Okay? Just for their own satisfaction, and you like that dance. And at the end kids, listen carefully. We are going to have a karaoke singing for all the kids, okay? Whether they are participating or not, age group, nothing matters. Okay, and we are going to do high school musical karaoke, okay? Alright, so stay till the end and you can enjoy that. This is the last competition, and after that, we will have the award ceremony, and that is on January 30th. And please remember, January 30th is not a Sunday, it's a Saturday, okay? And we are going to have that award ceremony by University of Iowa President Sally Mason, okay? She was, very graceful to accept our invitation, and she's coming. So it's a great opportunity for you kids to be receiving prizes and medals and, honors from University of Iowa President. Okay, and from next week, we will have regular Bal Vihar and regular SAT classes. And those kids that have not joined Bal Vihar or SAT, please do, because that is where we teach them, instill in them the morals of our culture. Okay, the moral values and other, religious values that we all, have grown up with. Okay, and last but not the least, before we start the competition, I have got some feedback form here with me. So I would like to pass it out to all the parents, and please fill out these feedback form. We are all volunteers. None of us are getting paid to do this. Okay. So we want to know your feedback and know your if you can support us, that will also be really nice. And just to reiterate about the scoring, the percentage of judges scoring is going to be 60%. Okay, and audience scoring is going to be 40%. And when you are writing, the score, please do write the name of the participant. That's very important. If you just write the score, don't write the name, you don't know who you scored. And we want that score to be passed on back so that you can do the second participant from clean slate. All right. So with that, we'll start our competition with sub-junior group, and we'll go with last, alphabetical order on their last name. Okay? So let me see who comes first. And here we have got full karaoke, system. We've got computer. And if any of you, like I know some of the kids are doing some, dances. Any of you need more space, we can make it more space by moving the speakers and all. Just let us know whatever you need. Okay?